vlog. What's up guys? So today, this is so weird looking at me like this. I feel like really weird. I don't wear this stuff, but you know what? It's cute. I'm gonna go with it. So I just got ready. It's Saturday. I decided that I wanted to go thrifting today. My friend wanted to go to lunch with me. We're going to this new place that opened up and we've been wanting to try it out for the longest time. And I've heard a lot of good things about it and they have some vegan stuff. So, you know we gotta try that out. We're gonna go there. I'm super excited because the inside of the place looks so cute. And after that, I wanted to go, I live in the middle of nowhere. Actually, it's not the middle of nowhere. Compared to like New York City and LA and like all those big cities, I live in the middle of nowhere. But I love where I live. There's not a ton of places to go thrift shopping besides like literally Goodwill. There's no like vintage clothing stores or like trendy places in San Francisco that like Emma Chamberlain goes to and like all that stuff. You know what? We gotta work with what we have, right? My hoops, if you guys are, oh my god, you see this? Bleeding. Like that literally happens every single time I put my earrings in and it's just, these are from Target. How trendy do I look? Or at least I'm trying. Shirt is from Brandy. I cuffed the arms, tucked it in, looking so trendy, right? These jeans are from the thrift store. These are like one of my only good finds that I love. These jeans are like $2. We're just gonna skedaddle do out of here. Yeah, I'm never gonna say that again. Hi! Oh. Say hi. Oh my, why you got It's really good. 10 out of 10 recommend. It was expensive though.
I'll take another one of these.
Good lighting.
So that was really good. 10 out of 10. How was your guys' meal?
10, man.
Oh, that was so good. Those fries were
So full though. I feel like I could pee.
Yeah, the bowl was really good. Oh my god, it's so nice out. It's 75 degrees.
You would like play my music.
Hey guys, Bella here.
You look
so
tan.
I know.
Well, that first place was a little odd and we kind of felt really uncomfortable trying stuff on. So, we're at the good old Goodwill in the background. There we go.
Yeah. Especially since I lost 6 pounds. I'm starving. I'm supposed to say that in the vlog.
That was boring.
Yeah, we're just really not good at thrift shopping.
I'm just not.
I don't have the patience for that.
I just don't understand. This video is a fail. I'm gonna turn it into a...
Drive with me! As we were walking out of the store, I walked out by myself, like with the camera, and there were these like, oh my god, he's still there, he's right there. 5 guys. One of them was like on a bike, like turned the corner and I like made eye contact with them. They just staring at me and then they start riding their bike towards me and we just ran to the car.
I was like, get in the back, in the back.
She was like, get in the back. It's so dramatic. They were probably just like going to the thrift store, but like, it was sketch. This is awkward.
Nigga, man, never called, bro. Boss saying it.
We're going to take pictures at this structure. There's too many police around here. The lady used to get into that. It's right there.
Yeah.
There it is.
Where?
I didn't tell us.
Why are you talking about that?
Why are there there's so many. Oh wait, the station is right here. Whatever, this is a public convention center. Everything we're trying to do today is just not working out. Okay, we're gonna jump off. Being broken into? We're not even wearing highlights. What? Okay, come on. Done. That was quick. Quickie. Lay in the middle of the road. People in my town don't understand what vlogging is, and it's literally the most embarrassing thing. Ow. Like those two guys back there? Yeah, those guys right there. Staring at me, laughing at me.
Hola, señores. We are at, not able to tell you the name because I don't want to tell you my location at the moment, but we're at a Mexican restaurante. We're just having a girls' night. No, I'm kidding. No, come back. No, leave it. It's like think reflex. Let's go. I just got she got fried rice. Oh, it's eating her. Look at that. I'll help you.
I don't know if this is ever gonna go anywhere. I think I'm just gonna add it to the end of this like vlog. We just went to the grocery store and I was interested to see like what other people get from the grocery store. And so we just went to the grocery store and I've always wanted to do one of these videos, and it's like what I got from the grocery store haul. It's pretty much what we always get. I thought I would share it with you guys just in case you're wondering things that we mainly get. Let's start with like vegetables. All right, so we've got zucchini, asparagus, we have tons of apples, we have beets, my mom likes to juice them, we have pears, bananas, raspberries, more raspberries, 4 things of strawberries, we love strawberries. These are my favorite grapes ever, so good. We get more apples, and then we have 2 things of blackberries, we have 5 avocados, we have 2 heads of raw organic broccoli. We get peppers, we get a ton of oranges, more peppers, avocados, more asparagus. I think these are cucumbers. Are they cucumbers? We have kale, more bananas, some blueberries, spinach. I like to put this in my salad. Oh no, that would have been really, really bad. Then we've got Brussels sprouts. And then I just put away a head of lettuce. And then this, I don't know, I think that's celery or something like that. In case you're wondering, it's on All Healthy. I get this vegan chocolate chunk cookie from, what is it, Whole Foods? And it's so good. I just cut up all of these strawberries. Literally, look how good that looks. There are so many strawberries, good for the week. Just washed all of the grapes, so they're good to go for the week. None of these are going to be wasted.